How are you? Hope all of you are safe and fine at your home. A little progress each day adds up to big result. With this beautiful quotation, we'll start our lesson. So, OpenOffice ORG Writer 1 you already have studied. So, today we'll start with OpenOffice ORG Writer 2. So, in this, we'll read about creating bullets and number lists today. Okay. So, what is this OpenOffice? You already know, but still this is my first class for you. So, one introduction. OpenOffice ORG Writer, it is a powerful tool to create professional looking documents. Okay. OpenOffice Writer is currently one of the popular open source applications for creating critical documents such as reports, letter, business plans and more for the World Wide Web and for printers. Okay. So in this chapter we will cover about bulleted and numbered list, spell check, using graphics, tables and printing. Okay. But in today's class we'll cover about bulleted and numbered list and how we will create this bulleted and numbered list, that I will show you. Okay. So let us come. Okay. See here. So first of all, how can we create a bulleted and number list? Simple bulleted and number list. For this, see, here I have written the steps which is given in your book only. One by you will read and you can do it here. Click the bulleted list button or number list button on the formatting toolbar. Where is your formatting toolbar? The toolbar which contains, this is this one, bold, italic, underline button and font size, a bulleted number list. This is our formatting toolbar. Okay. So it is telling click on the bulleted list button or numbered list button. This is your bulleted list button and this is your numbered list button. Either one, whichever you want, you click. So suppose I have clicked here bulleted list. Okay. Okay. So suppose I will write here suppose I will write here science. Okay. Let us, okay, another one. Suppose I will write 5 fruits name here. Okay. So suppose I will write here apple. Then I will write here orange. Suppose then I will write here banana. Okay. Suppose if you press here shift plus enter key together, a line break will be there. Okay. And then you can, if you type, then another list will be started. Suppose mango. Okay. Then your guava. Suppose you want that you are making a list and you want some space in between the list, then you can press shift plus enter key. Okay. So this is a simple a bulleted list, and if you want to convert it to a number list, then you select that list, go to this number. Okay. Then it becomes a number list now, and this way it will go on typing. When your typing will finish, just press backspace key to remove and you can type your normal text now. Okay. So this way you can create your bulleted list and number list. Okay. But how can we create a nested list? That nested list, first, what is this nested list? Nested list means when a list, one list will be present inside another list, that is a nested list. Okay. One list will be presented inside another list, that is known as your nested list. Or you can tell it is here given when a number list will be present inside a bulleted list, or a bulleted list will be present inside a number list, then it is a what is your nested list. Let us try one nested list. Okay, how to do it. So first of that, okay, so I will go for number list, first one. Okay, so here suppose I am type bulleted list, suppose, because I have already started number list, so it is coming like this. Okay, bulleted list. Suppose here I am writing science. Okay, so inside science, suppose I want to write physics, chemistry, biology. Okay, so now suppose you want to make a nested list. So how to, suppose inside the science, these three subjects are coming under science. So after you type as usual, just like I have typed in one line, and then you select which you want to make a another list, means sub list you can tell. So then right click here and you choose the option down one label. So now you can change this also to a number list. Okay, now see. Similarly, suppose if I'll now start typing, suppose social science. If we'll type at one, okay, social science. You type, then write what is history civics. Then suppose type geography. Okay. So now suppose if you want this to a multi-level sub list, select the list, right click, then go for down one label. Suppose first you make a list, it is okay, then you select it which you want, then right click down one label. Okay, so it will become now a sub list, you see. So this way you can make a if you want not to change it to a number list also, you can go here and you can change it to a number list also here. So this way you can select a nested list. So type the list as bulleted list. Now select the items that you want to put at next level of nested list. Right click and select down one label. Just like now I have shown you down one label. Okay. So hope this way you can create a nested list. One list inside another list. You see this is the main list as bulleted list. Inside that list one numbered list is present. Okay. So how can you format a list? Next is how can we format a list? Okay. So format means what? How can we change the bullet style, number style, color and everything? That is your formatting. Okay, for this suppose same list I am here, I will copy and paste so that we can save some time. Okay, so what is the formatting list now? Okay, so you do one thing, you select this list only. Okay, you go to format menu and select in the from the format menu you select bullets and numbering. Okay, format, then bullets and numbering. One dialog box is coming here. Here suppose if you go for any other type of bullets, okay, and suppose you want this type of bullets, then click on OK. It can be bullet can be changed up. Otherwise if you go for format, then go for bullets and numbering. You can make a numbering style, suppose Roman style, it can be changed to Roman style also. If you will go format, then bullets and numbering, and here you will click graphics. So many graphics also it is, see many graphics are there. If you want any graphic, select any graphic and click here. Okay, so means you can change, this is your formatting. You can format bullets and numbering, you go, you can change any, you go to graphics, then this type of graphics you change. Okay, so this way you can format your bullets and numbering. Okay, so any other option is there, means this indent label is there, that means if you will decrease indent and increase indent is there, you using this you can do it, increase and decrease the indent of the text in the bulleted list. Okay, so hope all of you understand about this, how to create a bulleted and number list, how to create a nested list, and how to format a list. Okay, nested list is important when we will create one list inside the another list, this way. Okay, so for today this much, you practice all of you. OpenOffice.org is a free software, you can download it easily in your laptop or your PC, and you can use it. Okay, and these three things you practice, other things will read in the next class. Have a nice day.